India's biggest gas transmission company, GAIL Limited, is headed into troubled waters because all the three business segments where the company is present in is currently going through a very bad phase. And analysts say that for the next 2 years at least, the company will have troubled times because all the three businesses will not be able to come out of this kind of a downturn that the company is facing. Now, GAIL Limited is present in three main segments: natural gas transmission and sales, LPG transmission and sales, and petrochemicals. Now, natural gas transmission has taken a big hit for the company, which actually contributes almost 60% to its EBITDA. This is because while the natural gas prices overall has come down, the company has contracted long-term prices which are at a higher price. So that is why its customers are not ready to take offtake the gas from GAIL. Secondly, for LPG segment, since with the fall in the crude prices, the LPG prices have also come down, and this is hurting the company's margins because the operating profit from LPG is not going to be as high as used to be last quarter. Thirdly, in petrochemicals, it has two factors which is affecting it. First, since the company is running its plant on a higher cost of LNG, the petrochemicals plant, the company is having trouble in making margins. At the same time, the company is expanding its capacity at a time when there's a downturn in the sector. Therefore, petrochemicals margins will also be hit for the next at least 2 years. Therefore, analysts say that since the company has been very good for a long time, it might be able to sustain its operations, but it will be very tough for GAIL. And as of now, there is no hope in sight.